Meet Miko, the curious cat, and Zazu, the clever parrot. Their first meeting was through bars, sparking a very unusual friendship. Soon, Zazu was out, charming Miko with hilarious mimicry. A squawk, a chirp, maybe even a meow back. Miko was utterly fascinated. They learned to share space. Miko lounged, Zazu explored, with playful pecks at a tail. Peaceful coexistence, even if a little cheeky. And then came the gentle nudges, the head rubs. A truly unexpected bond blossomed between these two. Unlikely, yet perfect companions. From curious glances to true affection, Miko and Zazu show us that friendship can truly take flight, no matter how different you are.